Hi viewers, glad to welcome you to my channel again. Thank you so much for your support to my channel. Today I want to share with you about another medicinal valued herb, balloon vine. Scientific name Cardiospermum helicobum. Family Sapindaceae. Order Sapindales. Kingdom Plantae. Balloon vine is a climbing perennial herb that is grown widely as an annual. Common names of this woody climber are heart seed vine, love in a puff vine, and heart pea. The name of the plant is balloon vine because it produces small white flowers that contain large ornamental balloon shaped seed pods. The seed pods change their color from green to somewhat red as the plant matures. Balloon vine seeds produce the plant that climbs with tendrils and has square stems with deeply cut leaves. Balloon vine is a long-lived, scrambling, deciduous, woody, perennial to annual, many-branched, creeping or climbing vine that grows up to 3 meters long. The plant can grow in moist waste places, river banks, gardens, roadsides, woodland, grassland, cultivated areas. The plant prefers acidic or basic soil. Roots are shallow with long woody taproot. Stems are hairy. The plant is woody and has tendrils that are used for climbing. Leaves are alternate on the stem. Flowers are small, white, 25 mm long, fertile flowers are followed by seed capsules. The fruits are initially green and maturing to light brown. When it ripe, splits into 3 segments. Seeds are black, opaque and smooth with white finely porous heart-shaped spot at the microphyll. The seeds are dispersed by water and at times by wind. Medicinal properties: anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diarrheal, anti-ulcer, antibacterial, antifungal, mosquito repellent, etc. Medicinal uses: it is used to treat rheumatism, fever and tumors. Leaves are crushed and made into a tea, which aids itchy skin. Salted leaves are used as a poultice on the swelling. Leaf juice has been used as a treatment of earache. Decoction of roots used for diaphoretic piles. And amenorrhea, vapor of the crushed leaves is inhaled to relieve headache. Soak some leaves of balloon vine in water stored in a mud pot. Drink it frequently. It cures cough. For skin diseases, grind 1 cup of balloon vine leaves with half cup of coconut oil. Keep the paste in the sun and apply on the affected area of the skin. For rheumatism, fry some balloon vine leaves in 1 cup of ginger oil. Let it cool and apply on the painful and affected area. Equal amounts of powder from the dried leaves and garlic cloves are mixed into a paste that is rolled and dried in the sun and used as an inhalant to clear nasal passages. The same preparation is dissolved in sesame oil and applied typically as a remedy for skin disorders. Other uses: stems can be used in basket making. The attractive seeds are used as beads. Leaves are reported to be used for washing clothes and the head. Edible oil can be obtained from the seed and it is said to have insect repellent. Dear viewers, herbalism was the grounding of flower power. Nature woke us up. Nature to be our path of healing. Signing off, the booth. Thank you for watching.